What's this? Another truck? I wonder what's on it. Doors. Hundreds of doors. What's in the crates? Glass inserts. Over 400 inserts. That's a lot of inserts. And over 700 doors. That's a lot of doors. So what kind of doors are we talking about? Fiberglass doors. We got shaker doors. We got raised panel doors. We got decorative doors, full view glass doors, and many more. Where are we going to put them all? We're kind of running out of room. And we have more trucks coming. We have thousands of doors to choose from. Come buy your dream door today and save hundreds over the competition. Come check us out. You'll love what you see.
Builder's surplus, smashing high prices. Yeehaaa!